Hey, what's up guys? So in this video tutorial, I'll be showing you guys on how you can connect your EasyStore to your Facebook business page in just a few simple steps, right? So let's jump right into it. Alright, so this video tutorial will include the two criteria you need in order to connect your EasyStore to your Facebook business page, right? So the first criteria is actually to create a page for your Facebook, and the second is to have a Facebook pixel. So these two will actually be needed if you want to connect your EasyStore to your business page. Alright, so if you already have these two criteria beforehand, you can actually skip this part and just proceed to connect your EasyStore to your Facebook page. Alright, so I will start off to create a page for my own brand, right? So there's actually two options right here. So if you want to create a page for business, choose the first one. So in my case, just create your page name, and this is the category of what you're selling. Okay, so I just skip this and I can just do it later. So this is the page that I've just created. So what I want to do next is to actually create a pixel for this page. Alright, what I have to do now is to actually go to my business manager. So this is the Facebook manager of your page. What you have to do is to go to pixel right here and create your pixel, okay? Alright, so this is where you basically create the Facebook pixel. Alright, you just have to fill in the pixel name as well as your website or under the pixel name. Right, so once you have done, just click on create and you'll be completed on creating your own pixel for your Facebook page. Okay, alright, so after you've created your Facebook pixel, just log into your admin panel and go to marketing, Facebook marketing, and from here you can start to connect your EasyStore to your Facebook page. Alright, so the first step is to connect the page. Alright, just click on manage category, link category, and as you can see, there's actually 6 levels of category. So you must at least put up to 2 levels of category of the products that you are selling on your Facebook page as well as on EasyStore, right? So for me, my category is actually apparel and accessories, right? The level 2 is to choose shoes. And if you do not have a level 3 category, you can just leave it. If you have your level 3 category, then it will be best, right? Alright, so the next step is to actually connect your Facebook business, and you'll be directed to another link on here. Alright, so continue. And from here, choose the page that you want to connect to your EasyStore. Alright, so for me, it's this one. And you will have to enable each and every settings over here to allow EasyStore marketing to connect everything to your Facebook page. Okay, so I'll proceed from here. Alright, so now you have linked your EasyStore to Facebook page. Click OK, and now it's time to do the settings. So this means that you'll be connecting your Facebook pixel to your EasyStore. Click on next. Alright, so now you've reached this page, and what you have to do is to actually go next. Just skip this one. Alright, so since you only choose one page from your account, so basically you do not have any options to choose from here. So basically this is the page that you will be connecting to your EasyStore. Okay, click on next, and Facebook will take the pixel that you created for this page to connect to your EasyStore. So this is where you have to look out. In order to sync all of your products from your websites to your Facebook page, you have to make sure that you enable the page shop right here. Alright, so once you click finish, and once there's this pop-up, it means that you have completed the connection from your EasyStore to your Facebook page. Right, so the advanced option here is where you can actually view the status of the products that you'll be uploading to your Facebook page. And from here, I'll just close this. Alright, so as you can see in your EasyStore admin panel, you have already connected your Facebook page to your EasyStore from here. Okay, and this is the pixel. So now you can start to set up your messenger as well as the promoter. Okay, if you wish to connect a messenger to your EasyStore as well, you will need to enable these settings right here, as well as this one. So we go through each setting one by one. Alright. So this is settings. So this is a greeting message that will appear once your customers visit your website. Alright. And this is a message for your customers once they receive the order details via Messenger. Okay. Alright. So for Facebook Promoter, basically you have to follow the format right here in order to promote your product to your page feed. Alright. So I'll just demonstrate on how to create an example for that. Alright, so I just proceed to set it up here. With only, so the currency for my case is Ringgit Malaysia, and the price will depend on the product price that you have set inside your EasyStore. So for this link, this is where your customers will be directed to your website's product page from your Facebook post. Alright, so this is a comment. So this is the auto response for the comment. So for the keywords, this is where when your customers commented on a certain keywords, it will prompt the auto comments as well as the private message from your Facebook page, right? So in my case, the most common one is actually PM or PM or PM, right? So from here, this is a message of the auto reply. So for the last one is the message that will be sent to the inbox of those that comment on your post. Right? So click save. Alright, so now you have done setting up all your Facebook promoter settings as well as your Facebook marketing settings. The next step is to actually connect your products to your Facebook page and create a post for it. Right? So just click on the plus button over here and publish this to your Facebook. So basically this is a promoter post. Let's try to comment on it. Okay. Alright, so as you can see, this is how the Facebook promoter will actually works for your Facebook page. And this marks the end of this tutorial.